Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Uh, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trade. With that, I think we proceed with our analysis. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, do take note. Okay, we have. Okay, this is something we have started today. Uh, let's see. Okay, we have pound Aussie. Okay, which we have shorted at 94.20. So we are trying to lock in at 93.80. Okay, and we are holding long Nasdaq buying and S&P buying. Okay, this is also on the trade. Okay, let's quickly run through. Okay, there is no data out tonight. I mean, sorry, now, but there is US data. So that during the next session, I think we can manage the trade uh, for the news trading. Okay, so now let's start move on. Let's discuss the market and let's start putting in the trades. So if you, I think just now we put an order to buy euro at 105.30, and I believe the order is time is expired. So we want to enter the trade. So let's do that trade first. Okay, let me go into the chart. So we want to buy at 30 and exit at 60 or 65. Okay, so this is going to, that means we will do the same trade scalping. Okay, we put it at buy at 35 instead of 30 because I think the market is looking for a base, and we'll try to exit at 105.60 or 65. And this one, the expiry will give until 1930. So that means about 2.5 hours for this trade to work. So then we, let me see. Okay, we are buying at 105.10. Okay, that is still good. Okay, and we have the time expiry at 1830. So the one, I think we have to raise it to 22. Okay, raise it to rather give another 5 hours for that trade. Okay, so the euro trade, I think we can put in the trade. Uh, Gold also we got filled. Okay, let's do that later, but let's see whether we have any other movement that is immediately that is available. Okay, dollar yen. This is it's a downward extension on 360. So daily is flat. Okay, hold on. Sorry, daily is also pointing lower. So that might be a that might be an opportunity for dollar yen. Okay, let me look into the chart. So we should be looking to buy somewhere near 95 or 65. Okay, let's okay, let's analyze that. Okay, dollar yen, we monthly is up above 153.90. Okay, 153.90. We weekly is further level, we can't use it. So downside is an extension because it's a downward extension on the daily. And we should see the price moving, and we should come to a halt soon. Okay, let's see the yen crosses. I think all the crosses are moving, so I think this is a genuine move. And in fact, we shorted. Remember, we shorted at 5520, and I think we did as a scalping trade, and we exited at 5480. So now we have this down move is going to last for another 45 minutes. So we may see the daily SL2 or weekly RL3 as the support, and hourly SL2 as well, sorry, SL5. And previous day we have some support which is RL1. Okay, let's go and see that. So now we can look to buy somewhere near 153.90 or 65. Okay, this should be the two levels of entry. And let's say we look at weekly. Weekly is about 153.75. Okay, so I think we have already missed that move because we don't want to chase that. So we will try to buy at 80, stop 55, and TP is 15430. So that's a 50 pip move, and of course I'm not sure whether this is a downtrend or this is still in a range. Okay, so here we are looking into extension of this. I think 80, then we have one more to buy at 15330. That should be your final call, which is current week low. Okay, so we have two trades. One is a counter trend trade. Okay, we will put it as scalping, and dollar yen buying, limit buy 15380, stop at 15355, and TP at 15430. And this one expiry will give 4 hours. So minimum, actually I think we can give 2 hours to 2.5 hours should be enough. So we will see 15. This is a counter trend move. So now it's 17. So we will try to put it 1930. Then we will put one more at the low as a buffer trade. $153.30. That is that's at the current week low. Okay, and that one I think we have to put at 5330. Yeah, 5380 should be the level of exit, and this one we'll put until 2330. Okay. So we have dollar yen. We have, in fact, we took this trade. We exited earlier, and so we are trying to do a re-entry again. And this is also a counter move. Because this is a, and I still we still believe that this is still in a range, as long as this is above 152.65 and 153.30. Okay, so I think we'll still go for that thing. Maybe we might need to adjust 10-20 pips higher or lower, but that one I think we'll do in the next session. In the next session, if you see the price is still falling, then we may want to do the adjustment. So as of now, what we feel is, okay, this market is going to be in a down move, and the downside is limited because your RSI is already overbought, so we should see some stability somewhere near 153.80. Okay, so the next trade we want to go for is, we'll try to look into the gold. Okay, just now I think we shorted gold, and just now the earlier session we predicted gold to hit 2670, which is already hit, and the next level is 2675. So what we can do is, we can try to go for a sell higher. Okay, 755. Let me see how far this extension is. Actually 83 83 should be our target, 2683. Okay, so 75 is what we will do is, we will wait for the next session. Maybe if 75 we want to enter, we will enter, but 83 and 86 should be the level of target. So I think on that note, we will try to put in a sell at 83, 26. And TP will put as 70 half. Excuse me. So here we'll put until excuse me, sorry, yeah. We'll put until 23:30. So we'll give a long time for this. So we would we'll try to do this is a trying to sell at the extreme. Okay, on the other hand, if you feel whether do you want to go for a buy, I think we are not that keen on buying. And if we see a possibility of a turn, then we may want to go for a sell. Okay, but buying, I think we still want to, because it's already up $20, and the daily has been up consecutive 1 2 3 4. This is the fourth day up. So let's wait for the market to turn. Okay, the next trade we want to go for is, if you look at momentum, pound looks like, I think the euro dollar is filled. I think 35 we're trying to get filled. I think should have filled. Yeah, I think that should be filled. Then pound, we are seeing a downward extension on 360. daily is flat above 125.95. Okay, daily is flat. So if we are looking for a buy, we should be buying near 126 uh, 10, because another 45 minutes left for this down move. And 12610, I think we have an order. Okay, the only thing is the extension, the time we have given is 18:30, which is another 1 hour 15 minutes. So I think let it work. Then later if we see to do any adjustments, then we'll do the adjustments. Okay. Okay, let's see. Any. Okay, Aussie all no got no strength. Aussie got no strength. The rest all no get strength. So what we will do is the next one we can look into is um the yen crosses, because yen has moved pretty big, so we should be able to see the counter trend move. So another way which we can trade this is, okay, this is like, let's say we do euro yen. Euro yen is a daily downward extension. Okay, and 360 is also downward extension. So we feel that euro yen should be coming to 6150 is the level, benchmark level, which we need to pay attention to. So that means 6150 means this is about 80 pips away. So where we intend to buy, okay, we can also use the system. So if I'm going to go for a buy, I look for a buy near 360 SL5 and daily SL5 and weekly SL1 or SL2. Okay, so all these levels you take down. Daily SL5, 360 SL5 and weekly SL2. Okay, so that should be your target for a buy. So your current week low is 161.50. So let's see, the market may turn at that level or before that level. So remember, I told you daily SL5, which is 161.60. This is 161.20. Okay, weekly we have about 161.70, 50. That should be your level of for a buy or target, because now we have already missed that that move, such a big move. In fact, we were concentrating on the Aussie crosses. I think if we have concentrated on the yen crosses, probably we should have made this. We should have been in this trade and we should have made this money. Okay, so we'll try to buy at 161.50 or 60. Then we'll try to exit $162.25 or 30. So because it's a counter trend, because we are not sure whether this is a counter trend, but still within the range. So unless if the low breaks, then we can be pretty sure that this is going to be even lower. Okay, 161.70, 40 because 50 is the move, and 162.20. So this one is we call it extreme levels or counter trend move. So this we give an expiry until 22, and we should see some bounce coming soon because we have seen extremely oversold. Okay, maybe give me a minute. Now it's 5:30. Okay, I think we'll just give 2 hours for this because since it's only about 70 pips away. Not 70, sorry, 50 pips, not 70 pips, 50 pips. So this is for euro yen. Pound yen. Again, if we look into pound yen, the current week low is 19360. Okay, and current low is 19455 and is near the current low. So we expect this market to turn before the current week low, which is 19355. So we would want to buy at either 94 or 9380. And TP is at 9450 because we don't want to. This is also a counter trend move. This also will give 2 to 2.5 hours, not more than that, because if we give longer, then chances are we may get price moving even lower. Okay, so let's see how many trades we have. Okay, I think the euro is going to get stopped out. It's moving lower, so if that's the case, the euro buying, I think we have to reduce it. Okay, I think the one we have to reduce it. Let's see. Let's see the market get stability first. So you can look to buy at 460. So now we have a buy, the euro dollar 510. I think the one we have to reduce it to 460, and we don't have any swing trading. Okay, so here you faster revise it to 460 faster because this is going to get stopped out, so we don't want to take risk. Okay, the 510 cancel please. Okay, cancel that euro. I think this euro got stopped out. We close it better. Yeah, I think we close it. Okay, euro we close at market, try to close at market, and let's see, Okay, as of now, I don't think we have any open position, only apart from Nasdaq. So I think others all. Okay, the dollar strength is coming quite so strong. I don't. Okay, now look into the gold. Okay, coming back to this gold. Let's see whether we have an opportunity for that. Okay, looks like, okay, we may have seen the high. High means it's not, I wouldn't say a major high, but we can take it as a temporary high, because 70 was our target, and now it's trading $5 lower, and we also see the price turning. So I think we may get an opportunity. Okay, try to sell at, hold on, 68 half. Yeah, so try to sell at 68 half and put a stop at 72. Then we will try to exit before 56. Okay, there is a $12 move that is available. So if, let's say, this happens to be the high, we should be seeing the price hitting at least 56 or even 60. Okay, so that means we should be getting the price at least $8, between $8 to $10 on this move. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, I also want to go into this trade. Try to sell $2,668 half. 72, 72, 71 half was the high, 72, and 2660 half. At least $8. You should get $8 to $10 on this move. Okay, $8 to $10 on this move. So if we are right on the high is seen, okay, I suggest you can go for the trade. Okay, let me also key in this trade, please. Just give me a minute. Okay, if we are right, we should be able to see the price moving slightly higher. Okay, hold on. I'm also keying in this order. So for those aggressive traders, if you feel if you are aggressive traders, you may want to sell at 66 half also, because this if the bounce is not that good, then we may get price okay. So here, okay, let me show you the chart. So if this is going to be the high, I mean, I wouldn't say a major high, because the reason why I want you to go into this trade is because we are expecting this market to turn soon. When I say turn, it's not a major turn. So, and now we are seeing, let me give you a clear indication. Okay, this is the hourly is flat. Okay, the 2 hours is up, hourly is flat. Okay, which means to say, if you say this 2 hours, that means this is going to be ending in another 28 minutes. Okay, this 2 hours is going to end in another 28 minutes, which means to say that this is going to be a significant time change that is going to happen. So if we are right, okay, most likely, this should be a temporary high, and we should see the price moving towards at least 60 and 56, at least these two levels. So again, if the market has got no strength, I mean, we should see at least 68, but if there is no strength, looks like it may come off. Okay, it may come off. So if you want to fight for that $1-2, I'll let you decide whether you want to be in the trade or you want to wait for that entry. Okay, and I'm planning to enter. I'm planning to enter. Just give me a minute. If if the market, if I would say, for the next 15 minutes, okay, if the next 15 minutes, if the market has got no strength to push to 68, okay, I think 68 is going to be a bit difficult, and if this low breaks, then we are right. Okay, so I think maybe we want to bring it down to 67 half. Okay, I think we'll get about $7 on this move. Let me try to enter this. Okay, so I'm trying to enter at 67. Okay, 67 or 67 half. So I want to be in the trade. Two condition is, like, of course, we feel that the time, the 2 hours is going to come to an end in 25 minutes, and and also the market is showing weakness. Okay, the market is showing weakness on the 30 minutes. Okay, we'll try to be in this trade. Okay, let me see. Dollar yen. Okay, I think apart from this, I don't want to force any of the trades because, okay, let me share the screen back to you again. So we are seeing another 24 minutes left for the time belt. So if this 24 minutes left, so now euro is weak, pound is weak, dollar yen is weak. So euro pound, euro yen, pound yen should be very weak, because they are moving in the opposite direction. So then New Zealand dollar, okay, New Zealand dollar is weak, and so is New Zealand yen is also expected to be very weak. So we'll see. Maybe after this session, I want to give the signals. For those of you who are not able to follow, the only way is, of course, you got to register with us to get all the up-to-date information, and if you want to trade continuously. So you see the, hold on, okay, I don't know how many of you managed to enter. Did anyone manage to enter? Okay, I think I want to reduce it to 66. See, I told you, the once it breaks the low, did anyone manage to enter this trade? Okay, good. I think you are the only person being very fast, with our action. I think you are quite fast in taking decisions. Okay, thank you. I think it's good to hear that. I think so far if you have been following us, how do you find our service? You know, while just waiting, and I think I've been seeing you for the last few days. Okay, let me try to change the thing. Okay, so so this is okay, for to give you an update. Okay, for gold, I just want to, if you are managing out on your own, so now this looks like, this typical head and shoulders pattern. So of course, if it breaks this, we should be seeing at least 60 half, and that is the level we are trying to exit. So since we are seeing weakness on the rise, so most likely this low should continue and we should come in, and the weakness should start to accelerate in 20 minutes time. Okay, maybe you don't get the weakness now. After this time belt has finished, that means we have another 20 minutes left on this. Once this time is finished, then we should see the market moving faster. So now, as of now, I think it's still in a range. Still, the market hasn't decided which way to go, and this might be. So of course, now if order is filled, try to reduce your stop to 69 or 69 half. So reduce your risk. So slowly we manage the trade. Okay. Try to enter at 66. Let's see, we'll get filled. Okay, now I don't think we have any other open position. I think all our trades are closed. Okay, let me see. I think we got a stopped out in Nasdaq, and S&P closed at cost. I think there is some news that is happening because I'm not sure because the US stocks. Okay, I think not much movement. Okay, it's not a big movement. Okay, because it's still in a range. So this is a Nasdaq and it's still in a range. So I think only gold and yen are the two big movements that is happening right now. So I think we'll just focus on this two. Okay. So I conclude this session, and once again, for those of you, like as I said, our system is very unique and very effective. Okay, very effective to tell you when to enter, when to stay away, when to trade, and why or where, whatever the W's. So you can follow this. I mean, you can share this video to your friends, who may be in the similar industry, and pull them in, so at least we can get this group bigger. I mean, if the only way is, like as I said, we grow together, and when more people come in, we get more markets to look at and more ideas to share. So we are very versatile. Okay, we are very versatile, and we are monitoring close to 80 to 90 markets on 80 to 90 instruments. Okay, so basically all the crosses and I think you can see. So it will be a win-win situation. So hope to see you again, and also with some uh, support. Do just recommend to your friends. Okay, and once again, if you like the service, give a like and also subscribe to our services. Thank you. Bye. See you again tonight. Thanks. Bye.